For this week's discussion, I chose Scenario 1, Carol Johnson, and the organizational factors needed to start teaching online. One of the first things I thought of was her level of expertise teaching. Is she a new instructor, and would she need more comprehensive training? Does she know the course material well enough to transition the class to an online teaching class? And does she have the knowledge to build strong instructional design, write relevant goals and learning objectives? Does she know what to teach and the method she's going to teach, games, online tests, etc.? I think her wanting to meet the students would help her analyze their abilities and learning needs, also evaluate what tools they have. Do they have a laptop and computer? Do they have the internet? Do they have good study skills? She would also be able to decide what methodologies would be most effective for this group in order to maximize their learning. In our book, Teaching and Learning at a Distance, there were 4 considerations before teaching online. One was, is the instructor ready? Are all the materials prepared? Is he or she organized? Do they have the material in their structured format for the course management system they're using? Do they have a syllabus, the content, discussion boards, methodologies, assignments all planned out ahead of time? It said that it takes 3 to 5 months of prep time before starting to teach online, and I can understand that, especially if you're starting from scratch and trying to get all of this organized. The second consideration was communication framework rules. Do you have it spelled out to the students how they can get a hold of you, and when can they expect feedback or answers to questions they post for you? The third thing was timeline of due dates. Do you have all the course assignments set out by week and topic? I know in my other class, 633, we have a to-do list at the beginning of each module that spells out the assignments that are due for the week, and also on the side has the time expectations of how long it should take us to do each of these, which leads to the fourth consideration, study times for both the instructor and the teacher. Breaking things down into small chunks instead of just waiting at the last minute to do everything at once.